Namaste. This is S.K. Batin Raman, Faculty of Pharmacy, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today we discussion about a de novo synthesis of fatty acid. Okay. Now we discuss about a de novo synthesis. De novo synthesis refer to the synthesis of complex molecule with simple molecule with sugar and amino acids, such as opposite of recycling after the partial degradation. Example: nucleotide are not a need for diet as a consists of the small precursor of the ferment on aspartate, methionine. And the different other hand is needed to diet because that this is the degradation while the recognize the homeocytes and the synthesis of de novo nucleotide. De novo pathway is nucleotide do not use in base adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, or uracil. And pyrimidine ring are the build of the atom or few of the atom are time to attach with ribose throughout the process of pyrimidine ring synthesis and the attach of the ribose phosphate and laterally convert to the common pyrimidine nucleotide. Cholesterol. The cholesterol is the essential structure of animal cell membrane. Cholesterol are the several precursors of the biosynthesis of steroid, hormone, and bile acid. Vitamin D. Mammalian cholesterol are either absorbed by the diet source and the synthesis of de novo. Up to 70 to 80% of de novo cholesterol synthesis occur in the liver. About the 10% of de novo cholesterol synthesis occur in small intestine. Cancer cells are required to cholesterol for the cell membrane. So cancer cells are containing many of the enzyme for the de novo cholesterol synthesis of the acetyl-CoA. Fatty acid de novo lipogenesis. De novo lipogenesis is the process which is the carbohydrate, especially after the high carbohydrate meal. From the crucial conversion of fatty acid, which is the further conversion of triglyceride. On the other hand, acetyl and the sum of the amino acid can be carbon source of for the de novo lipogenesis. De novo lipogenesis are acetyl, some of the amino acid, and the also a carbon source of DNS. It's a short form of de novo lipogenesis. Okay. Now de novo lipogenesis occur on primarily adequate tissue, but the occur in obstacle insulin resistance type 2 diabetes. De novo lipogenesis is reduce the adequate tissue carbohydrate response element of the binding to the protein. It is a major transcription factor. It increase the liver and different type of regulated the element of binding of protein 1. This is a normal activity of liver glucose of obesity and high fatty diet because of level of carbon dioxide responsive element of the binding protein of adequate tissue to the reduce. Consistency highly blood level of insulin due to the high carbohydrate meal or insulin resistant strongly include SPERB1 expressed as a fatty acid disease. DNA. De novo DNA synthesis refer to the created DNA rather than assemble of the modified of the nature of precursor of the template of DNA sequence. Oligonucleotide synthesis followed by the artificial gene synthesis, finally by process of clone, correct the error the correction and verify the clone the gene of plasmid and E. coli or yeast. Primase is the RNA polymerase. It's a primer is existing stand of waiting replication, and DNA polymerase cannot be added to primase. Therefore, need for primase in edit of the de novo synthesis. Now we discussing different type of how to protein in synthesis of any different type of de novo lipogenesis and briefly describe the de novo lipogenesis. De novo lipogenesis, Latin word beginning the de novo lipogenesis synthesis of lipo lipid acid, beginning to acyl CoA and acetyl CoA. It is also remove out the mitochondria, which is the convert to the malign acyl CoA. Malign acyl CoA is the covalent of another acyl CoA of the form of 4 carbon of fatty acid. This is the addition to carbon of repeated of the throughout the similar chain 7 times of the 7 carbon in acid. Now we discussing the de novo biosynthesis of different structure. Okay. Now we discussing about beta oxygen and fatty acid synthesis in site mitochondria present of acyl CoA of derivative and present an enzyme are required dependent on the protein and the sequence of the carbon of the splitting of acetyl CoA and coenzyme is NADH FDAR reduction. Acetyl in fatty acid synthesis, it is the goal of the linkage of SH group and the APC. It is the multiple enzyme complex carbon unit or the 3 carbon of the molecule and enzyme record NADPH are used for reduction power. The major fatty acid required for the body is supply the diet. The fatty acid synthesis whenever our calorie are exist in the diet. Excess amount of carbohydrate and the protein from the diet can be converted to the fatty acid and stored in triglyceride. In the storage as a triglyceride. Site of the fatty acid synthesis are liver, kidney, adipose tissue, and etc. This takes place in cytoplasm of the cell. It's referred to the extra mitochondrial or cytoplasmic fatty acid synthesis system. The major fatty acid synthesis de novo is palmitic acid and the C16 saturated fatty acid. Source of the carbon is acetyl CoA. Source of the reduction or equivalent NADPH and the source of energy ATP. Step of the fatty acid synthesis. Fatty acid synthesis occur between the production of transfer of acetyl CoA and NADPH and conversion of acetyl CoA and alanine CoA. Reduction of fatty acid synthesis complex. Production of transfer of acetyl CoA and NADPH. Acetyl CoA production of mitochondria by the oxidation of pyruvate, oxidation of fatty acid, deintegration of some amino acid and ketone body. However, mitochondria is not a permeable for the acetyl CoA. So, alternative arrangement made of the transfer to the acyl CoA to the cytosol in the form of citrate. Acyl CoA considered of a oxaloacetate in the mitochondria to the form of citric acid, citrate. Citrate is the free transport of the cytosol. Here is cleavage of cytosol lies to the acetyl CoA and oxaloacetate. Oxaloacetate is the converted to the malate, and a malate dehydrogenate is converted to the malate to pyruvic, which is the production of the NADPH and CO2. Transfer of acetyl CoA, the form of mitochondria to and cytosol, is the coupled with production of NADPH plus O2. Both of them utilize and the FDA fatty acid synthesis. Transport of acyl CoA and NADPH. Glucose to pyruvic acid and pyruvate to malate. Pyruvate is converted to the citric acid by the through the oxaloacid, and citrate is converted in the citrate, and citrate is converted to the oxaloacetate. Oxaloacetate is converted to the malate, and malate is converted to the in pyruvate, and pyruvate acid is converted to the mitochondria and is divided into to acetyl CoA and oxalic acid. And oxalic acid and acetyl CoA is combined by the citrate synthase is converted to the acyl CoA. Now, in acetyl CoA is converted to the oxalic acid by the presence of acetyl CoA SH group with converted to the acetyl CoA. Now, is acetyl CoA used as a fatty acid synthesis? Okay. The form of malonyl CoA, okay, is not required in fatty acid synthesis, but somehow fatty acid synthesis is multi-enzyme or complex. It is provide the polymer containing 7-membrane activity acyl-CoA protein. It is a dimer of composed of two identical monomer of unit. Each of the monomer of identical having 7 enzyme having the fatty acid synthesis APC segment of 4-phospho anthranil are the sulfate of the group of the attachment. Function APA synthesis of coenzyme A. And the one of the acid group which contribute the specific cysteine reduction of the 3-ketoacyl synthesis. Both of the acid group are particularly fatty acid synthesis. To function of subunit FAH and independently operated by the two synthesis of fatty acid synthesis. Okay. Now we discussion briefly of the reduction of fatty acid synthesis complex. 2C fragment of acetyl-CoA transferred to the APS and the enzyme whose acyl transferase. Acetyl unit of transferate cysteine SH enzyme. The complex of alanine transferase is the malate of the CoA and APC, a form of acetyl-malonate enzyme. Now is fatty acid synthesis 2 group of attachment to the acetyl enzyme of cysteine is SH and malonine group is APC synthesis. The enzyme of complex now ready to chain of elongation the process. It is done by the step reduction, dehydrogenation and saturation. Non-consideration of the acetyl-CoA, which is the attach of the acetyl CH, and contribution of alanine at the attach of the APC and the beta ketoacyl APC by the loss of CO2 or the addition of carboacyl-CoA. This is the reduction of acetyl-CoA. Ketoreductase. Ketoreductase acetyl-CoA is group of hydroxyl group. It reduction of the conversion of supply. Beta oxidation APC is undergo the degradation by the enzyme of dehydrogenate in the form of inoacyl-CoA. Inoacyl-CoA is reduction by the enzyme of inoacyl reductase by the acetyl APC, which is the secondary metabolic of APCH user. It is the end product of reduction 4 carbon atom of the butyl group of the form. This is the carbon chain of attached APC transferred to the cysteine SH. The reaction to 6 are the repeated in the 6 time. Each of the time of fatty acid elongated by the 2-3 unit. It is the end of the 7th cycle and the A carbon of fatty acid synthesis on the form of APC. The enzyme of thioacyl separation by palminate the form of fatty acid synthesis, complex of the fatty acid synthesis. Now his conversion is acetyl-CoA transferase and the acetyl-CoA transferase system, malate and transferase. Okay. Now is conversation of different type of transferate beta hydroxy APC and to the transenolic APC. Now is conversion of different type of in this position transenolic APC and trans-acyl-CoA to acyl transferase. Now summarize of beta oxidation in palmolite of the acetyl-CoA. Okay. So 1 acetyl-CoA of malate-CoA is equal to 8 acyl-CoA. Is palmolate acyl-CoA. The short control of mechanism and long control of mechanism are regulated by the allostatic regulation and covalently modified of the enzyme. Okay, allostatic regulation. This is the citric acid acyl-CoA. Most of the short regulation of acetyl-CoA carboxylation. The catalyzed form of malate is the level of citrate highly both of the acetyl-CoA ATP are the abundant. The effect of citrate on carboxyl opposite of palmolate acyl-CoA, aromatic acyl-CoA are inhibit the transfer of citrate the form of mitochondrial cytosol 6 glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase. It is generation by NADPH. Allostatic regulation. In the activity of acyl-CoA deoxidation is also controlled by the phosphorylation. Phosphorylation enzyme is inactive. Dephosphorylation enzyme is active. Glycogen is the ephemeral stimulation by ephemeral. Insulin is stimulated by dephosphorylation. Okay, insulin and phosphate are kinase are conversion by acetyl-CoA and inactive to the acetyl-CoA carboxylation is active. In acetyl-CoA carboxylation inactive to acetyl-CoA inactive is converted by dehydrogenation. By the phosphate group are phosphorase is added in insulin as they increase the activity of acetyl-CoA carboxylation to acetyl-CoA carboxylation activity. Now is dephosphorylation activate to inactivated by phosphorylation by protein converted to the ATP to the ADP with negative energy glycogen epinephrine. Okay, now is doing about allostatic regulation. Glucose is converted to the citrate as citrate, and the citrate is converted to acetyl CoA, and acetyl CoA is converted to the mammalian CoA and palmitate, and the net acetyl CoA is converted to glucose 6-phosphate. Okay. Long-term control of mechanism. The existing effect of so the independent are repulsion are the synthesis and involving in genetic expression control the synthesis of enzyme, the production of FAS is stimulated by liver by the decarboxylation at the ATP available. This decreases the during the starvation and diet. Highly fasted diet and starvation are given by the all enzyme fatty acid synthesis highly carbohydrate diet. Okay, thank you so much for hearing.